In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit TradingView, customizing it to perfectly match your trading preferences and style. First, let's dive into working with the chart settings. You can open the chart settings by right-clicking on the chart area or clicking the gear icon at the top right of your TradingView interface. Once you're in, you'll notice several tabs, each offering unique customization options. Starting with the Symbol tab, you have the power to personalize the appearance of your candlesticks or bars. This includes modifying the colors that indicate price movements up or down, as well as the border and wick colors. This option is incredibly useful for those who rely heavily on visual cues and want quick, at-a-glance information. Next, the Scales tab provides options for tweaking what information is displayed on the axes. You can choose to show or hide features like OHLC values, high or low markers, and even countdown timers, catering the display to your specific needs for data precision. Moving on to the Appearance tab, you can further tailor the look of your trading chart. Adjusting the background color, grid lines, and crosshair style can all contribute to making your charts more comfortable to view in varying lighting conditions. You can also decide whether you want a watermark to appear, which can be useful for branding or security when sharing your screen. For traders linked to a broker, the Trading tab is essential. Here you can toggle the visibility of order visuals, ensuring everything you see is relevant to your current trades. The Events tab lets you display important economic events, dividends, and splits on your chart. Having this information easily accessible can be crucial in decision-making processes during trading sessions. After adjusting these settings to your liking, don't forget to save your layout. Head to the Layout menu, located at the top left, to save or rename your design for future use. Now let's move on to using drawing tools. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll find a selection of tools such as trend lines, channels, Fibonacci retracement tools, and more. Once you draw something, a quick formatting toolbar will appear that allows you to change things like color, opacity, and line style. For detailed configurations, click the gear icon to access full settings, where you can adjust coordinates, visibility across different time frames, and even set alerts. Managing, grouping, or hiding various drawings can be easily done using the object tree, accessed through the Layers icon at the bottom right or by right-clicking. Also, consider saving your favorite tools for convenient access later on. Finally, adding and customizing indicators is made seamless. Click on Indicators and Strategies in the top toolbar to browse available indicators to add. Right-clicking an indicator from the legend or chart allows you to access settings where you can edit inputs, colors, and line thickness, tailoring them to fit your analytical needs. You even have the option to save your customized indicator setups as templates, streamlining your future chart analyses. With these steps, you can effectively personalize your TradingView experience, making it a powerful tool for your trading endeavors.